Veterans Memorial Car Show, Gage Park, Topeka, Kansas. You turn it sideways here. Brad.
What's up, Dennis?
Not much, bud.
Oh, water runner.
F-350. It's pretty killer. Killed a couple 56s a couple years ago when the guy crashed into him. Nice little coupe. The 53 Cornet.
That's a neat way to get in and out of a car instead of having the door the normal way. You push it.
As long as you're not driving along.
Yeah, you don't want to get out that way.
Impala.
Huh?
Impala.
61. They weren't even thinking about Chevelles when they made this, was they? How you doing, guys? I got one of those GM HEIs for a Ford too. They work pretty good.
Yes.
Cool.
The only trouble I've had is that ignition module in there.
Right. You got to carry a spare with you.
Yeah.
Especially if you got that higher coil on there, you know.
Yeah.
I just got a regular HEI in my old Oldsmobile, and I've had that thing go out a couple times.
Santa Fe all the way.
Yeah.
What is that? A Chevy too?
Galaxy.
Huh?
Galaxy.
What, dude?
Galaxy. Okay, it's not Chevy. It's Galaxy.
No, it's
They're
Ford.
two different deals. Okay. Yeah. Shows you how much I know about my older cars. But yeah, I'd love to be able to afford.
How you like this Vega? I mean, just kidding. Oh. Or this Chrysler. Oh, it's a DeSoto. I'm close though. Just never seen an old guy not know. But hey, at least he's out here. It's a bad boy.
What year's that? 58. 58. Yeah. Oh, I like the
How you doing? Bad boy. Ford and a Ford, that's good.
Just getting so old, it was getting to be more than he could handle by himself.
He always wins, badass.
I was right there when he pulled in.
He hand built this all himself. Nice clean 65. 65, yep. 66. Looks similar, but that's his number for the registration.
You know, this way I looked at it.
Bad boy. But I'll take this though. This is a bad boy. So he ended up giving the wheels back. Like, whatever. Him and Tyler. A lot of nice cars out here.
I guess it went fine. Terry was there with his truck because he took the place. And
Trans Am Plum, 35K. It's pretty nice. Got the 400 in it. It's for sale. Just put the sign on there today. He said he hasn't even tried to sell it yet. He wants to get a little something little bigger, more comfy going down the highway.
I'll get there someday. They all started the cars yesterday and nothing too long. Here I was over there jumping like, oh.
To match and then look at it that way.
Cameo. Cutlass convertible.
What do you like to drive?
I drive my garage sale.
Yeah, I bought this about 10 years ago for, I don't know, it was about 12G. Nice deal, really.
Nice talking to you, bud. I'm still going to run look at a couple more.
427 supposedly, but not under the hood anyway. That says that, and I'm sure that's that.
Thing was really light.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a big height thing. Enjoy the show, guys. You have time to read his story. You want to try to do that if you have time.
I got that.
Yeah, it is.
This pops.
Can't take that away from you. This was my dad. Was it really? How crazy is that? Yep. Yes, sir. That is crazy. This side my garage.
Huge wheels. 20-inch.
Sell it. So 2 years ago, I went out there and just for the most part. I got help when I need it. Like, I want to modernize it.
So you know that it's a
Big block.
Can't get asbestos anymore.
What kind of rainbow I'm affiliated with, besides the one the Lord gives us. Like He's gave us everything on this beautiful Sunday. I know you won't see the crazies out here. They're not into this. Last place you want to come and try to start something's at a Veteran War Memorial car show. wouldn't happen. That's right. Not an old Charger out here. Mine's not out here either. This guy. What's this like a? I couldn't guess the year of these old cars if you put a gun to my head, but this is what, a 23 maybe. Maybe even older, I don't know. Oh, 26. One of 1,405 built. Remember a long time ago, a friend of mine bought this car and then he sold it to this guy. No, I drove the camouflage car today. They don't ever recognize it. Thought the only $6,000 car here though. $31 options, buckets, console. Bought it for $250 and resurrected it. Still got to put the Supreme grills in it. I never did. The regular got the Cutlass Rally grills in it, but still cool. Anyway, nice turnout today. Have a great day.